Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lena, and in today's video, I'm going to be cash stuffing my cash envelopes for the first paycheck of March. This paycheck was due on the 4th of March, so this is what we're going to be cash stuffing. So I did mention in my last video that I'm going to split what was left over after paying the bills from my first paycheck. The last video I recently did, and now what was left over was $297. So this is what we're going to be working with today for my cash envelopes. So I have it all laid out here just to save us some time. I have all of my categories listed in order. I'll have it in view so you guys could see what I'm actually cash stuffing during what I'm the cash stuffing. I apologize. And then we'll see how much we can stuff. Hopefully this works out for the week, as I am cash stuffing for the week and versus doing it bi-weekly. So let's get right into it. Let's get in here. And the first categories, as you see, is groceries, and I'm going to cash stuff $100. And I'm sorry guys if you see that I'm kind of struggling. This is the new binder and envelopes that I got off of Amazon. It's an A7 binder. So if you see I'm kind of struggling, that's the reason. I hope you guys are having an amazing Sunday. It is currently very cold here after the cyclone. We were left with a lot of rain and then cold weather. So if you guys are here in Florida, I hope you're enjoying it. The next one is household, and I'm going to cash stuff $25. So I'm going to actually take 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we'll be sure 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I actually like the smaller binders for the cash envelopes. I feel like they're much cuter, so that's why I actually picked this one out instead of a bigger binder. I have too many bigger binders anyways. Still trying to get used to this. Okay guys, so the next one is gas. So this is going to be for my car gas, and I'm going to stuff $40. So I'm actually going to take 2 40s. I hope wherever you are, you're having a great Sunday. It's actually very cold, and I have to go to groceries pretty soon, so wish me luck. It's going to be 20, 40. Okay guys, the next category is dining out, and I'm going to stuff $50. So I'm just gonna take a 50. Okay. Next envelope is my personal, and I'm going to stuff $2. Okay guys, next one is beauty, and I'm going to stuff $1. Beauty has to do anything like with my nails, if I want to get something, you know, makeup wise, even going to the salon to get anything with my hair that is anything to do with beauty. Next is clothing, and everything has to do with either me or the kids, mostly for me and my husband, but if anything, just in case, they can dip into this one as well. And clothing is going to get 5. Okay, health is my next category, and I'm going to stuff $20. This has anything to do with doctor visits, if I have to get any exercise equipment, anything to do with health, including food wise, I'll dip into my envelope. So this is basically what it's only for. Next is date night, and I'm going to cash up $1 for this envelope. just because we're not really doing date night, because kids are don't have enough time to actually go out. So pretty soon I have to start getting someone to watch the kids while we go for a little date night. Family envelope is going to get $3, and this is anything to do with family time. So, you know, any family outings, anything we want to do last minute, like on a Saturday or Sunday during the weekend mostly. This is the envelope for us to actually set aside anything we want to do, especially during the weekends. I do have some vacation time coming up, which I did mention in previous videos that I'm going to Disney for my vacation from work. I have the week off pretty soon, so I'm actually going to take that in July or early August. So that's what I'm actually going to be using that envelope for. For my Disney trip, that's a separate envelope that I have in my savings binder. This is actually going to be like anything like last minute that we want during the weekend, specifically on Sundays. But as I did mention that in the next video that I'm going to be doing, I have to catch up some of my some money into my Disney folder or cash envelope, just because it is coming up pretty soon. I need to make sure that I at least have $2,000. I don't see that really happening, but if I get my taxes a little before, I could try to replace anything that I can, try to stuff as much as possible, just to try to get to that number. Okay. And I didn't stuff for emergencies, but we're going to keep that for next time. But I do have this envelope just in case of emergencies, something pops up, last minute things. I have this envelope. And my last one is miscellaneous. That was $50. So anything that pops up last minute as well. So I'm going to try not to touch this at all, but just in case if I do, I have $50 in here. Okay, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching my video. I really appreciate the support. I appreciate all the comments. Thank you for subscribing if you have. And also, please remember to hit that like button. My videos consist of mostly cash stuffing, my envelopes and my sinking funds. Also budgeting my bi-weekly paycheck. That's my full-time job, or I do side hustles during the weekends with groceries. So I also budget that as well. And I also do savings challenges. And I am on the road to becoming debt-free pretty soon. So please watch out for those videos as well. I want to thank you all so much for sticking here if you made it to the end. I apologize for the noise. That was actually my dog Lassie. She was making too many noise. But I appreciate the support. Please remember to like this video if you did like it. And please stay tuned for the next video that I'm going to actually upload pretty soon for my savings challenges. I do have some changes that I'm going to be doing for my binder. So if you guys like videos like that, please remember to stay tuned and also like. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day wherever you are, and happy Sunday. Bye.